Imagine a world where horsepower wasn't just a technical term, but a literal description of what pulled your carriage. No highways, no gas stations, and definitely no roar of an engine, just dusty roads and the rhythmic sound of hooves. But on January 29, 1886, a German engineer named Karl Benz decided to change the course of human history forever. This is the deep dive story of the Benz Patent-Motorwagen, the true ancestor of every car you see on American roads today. Karl Benz didn't just want to replace the horse, he wanted to reinvent movement itself. Unlike others who tried to put steam engines on heavy wagons, Benz built a completely integrated, lightweight vehicle from the ground up. At the heart of this machine was a 954cc single-cylinder four-stroke engine. It was tiny by today's standards, producing a modest 0.75 horsepower at 400 RPM. While that might sound slow, at the time, seeing a machine move at a top speed of 10 miles per hour without any visible animal pulling it was nothing short of witchcraft. The engineering was decades ahead of its time. It featured a horizontal flywheel to balance the engine, an electric ignition system, and even a primitive radiator for water cooling. But despite his technical brilliance, Karl Benz was plagued by self-doubt. He was a perfectionist who feared his invention wasn't ready for the public eye. He kept tinkering in his workshop, and the world might have never known about the automobile if it wasn't for the extraordinary courage of his wife, Bertha Benz. In August 1888, without telling Karl and without any official permit from the authorities, Bertha decided to take matters into her own hands. She woke up before dawn, quietly pushed the motorwagen out of the workshop so as not to wake her husband, and set off with her two teenage sons on a 66-mile journey to her mother's house in Pforzheim. This was the ultimate test of endurance. There were no paved roads, no road signs, and certainly no repair shops. When the engine overheated, she used water from roadside ditches to cool it. When a fuel line got clogged, she cleaned it with her hat pin. She even used her own garter to insulate a worn-out ignition wire. And when the wooden brakes began to fail, she visited a local cobbler and asked him to nail leather strips onto the brake blocks, effectively inventing the world's first brake linings. By the time she reached her destination, she hadn't just completed a trip, she had conducted the world's first successful marketing stunt. She proved that the car was not just a dangerous experiment, but a reliable tool for long-distance travel. Her bravery turned a struggling workshop into what would eventually become the legendary Mercedes-Benz empire. Every high-performance muscle car, every rugged SUV, and every sleek electric vehicle we drive today carries the DNA of that fragile three-wheeled pioneer. The Benz Patent-Motorwagen taught us that innovation requires genius, but success requires courage. So the next time you turn your key or push your start button, remember Bertha and Karl. What do you think? Could you have handled a 66-mile trip in 1888 with no GPS and only 0.75 horsepower? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're a fan of automotive legends, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. This is Vintage and Classic Ride.